After choosing the hosting plan that works best for you and setting the correct name servers, it's time to set up your website. One way to do this is by using our easy-to-use website builder. You can find the website builder within your cPanel. Once there, you can see that there are many industry-specific templates available for you to start building your site. After picking your preferred template, you can simply drag and drop photos and text to create the perfect website. Once you're done, don't forget to save and publish the changes you've made.